So now we have to lower our transmission again. Oh, here are the bolts. There's the banjo bolt for both connections. And we've got the other one too. We're gonna go ahead and put new crush washers on there. Clean it up a little. Old crush washer. So it came with 2 of them on that one and 2 on this one. Bad crush washers. This one has a crush washer on here that doesn't want to come off. Let's see if we can grab it with this. Be careful not to scratch the surface, the mating surface. There we go. All right, both these bolts are identical. So we need 2 on each. So one goes on first, like here. So each of these get a crush washer. All right. And then once you get it onto the other hose, you actually have to put another one on the other side. Here, let me show you what I mean. There's my 13mm stuck on there. All right, we're gonna lower the rear of the transmission a little bit. All right, that should be enough. So you put crush washer on both sides of this connection. Look at that. All right, so we got both banjo bolts tightened up there. Now we need to do our connections. All right, that can be tightened right there. This goes right here. All right, long screw right here. I think these two short screws over here. another short screw. All right, so we got our SMG pump in. Now we're gonna add SMG fluid, CHF11S fluid, into the reservoir. Here's the pump I'm using. So I was looking for the transfer pump that I normally use, and it was all sold out. So I grabbed this pump, and this should work very similar. You just squeeze this and then pump the fluid into it. Let's go ahead and get the fluid in there. Okay. So if you look at this, you'll see an arrow on here. There. So that means the fluid, when you squeeze this, it pumps through here. So this is the in, this is the out. So we're gonna use CHF11S. So this is a power steering fluid. It's usually interchangeable with SMG pump and power steering fluid. It's both CHF11S. So we're gonna get a catch pan and catch whatever overflows back out. Okay, I just have a little cooking pan right underneath. And then we take this hose. This is my setup that I have. So the pump, and then it's just going, the other side's going into the CHF11S fluid. So our pan is catching whatever fluid comes out. This makes a little bit of a mess. Most of the fluid's going in. Okay, so we're gonna have to go get another quart. All right, so I'm gonna run up to the local dealership BMW dealership, pick up another quart. Special thanks to Tom Bush BMW of Orange Park that hooked us up with this fluid. We're going to go ahead and finish topping off our SMG fluid, and then we will run the bleeding process with IMPA. So let's go ahead and get the fluid in. All right, so to open this, press this tab right here, and then you rotate counterclockwise, and you'll see the seal. Grab this, and you can just lift up. There we go. Dispose of this. All right. Take this. Oh, all right. We're full. It's coming back out. Here's our cap, fill cap. And it's plastic, so be really gentle with this. You don't want to cross thread it or over tighten it. And it doesn't have to be airtight, because you have a breather hose on top of the reservoir anyways. All right. Let's go ahead and clean up this little mess we made. And in a bit, we'll have to double check to make sure it's topped off after the bleeding process, because usually there's air in the system that the car has to bleed out. Get the air out, basically. And then the level of the fluid in the reservoir will be reduced